Wildlife Legacy from Austin, Texas. It's our 12th year hunting up here. We keep coming back. This is a blast.
We have a lot of fun, get a lot of birds, and maybe if I can hit one, I'll get to take some home with me.
We're with Wildlife Legacy. This is my second year here. Absolutely love it. Last year I did one of the hunts, this year both.
I look forward to this hunt every year. There's nothing like hunting wild pheasant in South Dakota. It is amazing.
Staff has been really great. Those guys are awesome. Definitely looking forward to coming back up.
Come to South Dakota and shoot them up.